first light of dawn stretches across the empty asphalt as the Lamborghini Temerario waits in silence, its silhouette sharp and predatory. The car sits low, every contour carved with purpose, every angle shaped for speed. A faint glow radiates from the LED blades at the front, giving the impression that the machine is already awake, already watching, already hungry for the road. The door lifts upward with a seamless, confident motion. The driver steps in, sinking into a cockpit that feels more spacecraft than car. Soft ambient lighting breathes across the dashboard. 3 digital displays shimmer to life, each feeding information with perfect clarity. The steering wheel tightens under the driver's grip, its hexagonal shape echoing Lamborghini's identity. A moment of stillness fills the cabin, as if the car and driver acknowledge each other before the journey begins. A thumb presses the ignition. Instantly, the world changes. The twin-turbo 4-liter V8 fires with a violent yet refined roar, the kind that echoes deep within the chest rather than simply filling the ears. The hybrid system awakens in perfect synchronization, ready to deliver silent power when needed and electric fury when commanded. The sound rises, climbing with an eagerness that hints at the engine's astonishing 10,000 RPM redline. Flames flicker within the exhaust channels, visible even by daylight. The road opens ahead, the driver shifts into gear. With a sudden burst, the Temerario launches forward, the hybrid motors delivering instant torque and the V8 adding a wave of raw power that pushes the body back into the seat. The scenery begins to blur. The horizon seems to pull toward the car rather than the other way around. The acceleration is not just fast, it is forceful, relentless, almost predatory. Within seconds, the car reaches speeds that demand total concentration. Air rushes around the sculpted bodywork, channeling through vents, ducts, and aerodynamic tunnels that reshape airflow with surgical precision. The rear haunches grip the wind, the diffuser slicing through turbulence. With every increase in speed, the Temerario becomes more stable, more confident, more eager, as if speed is not its limit but its natural state. The driver approaches a sweeping curve, a slight turn of the wheel, and the car responds with absolute obedience. The suspension tightens, the torque vectoring system transfers power exactly where it should be, and the hybrid motors assist with millisecond precision. The car moves through the turn like a blade cutting through water, smooth, sharp, controlled, not a hint of hesitation, not a whisper of struggle. Inside, the cabin remains calm. The seats grip the driver firmly and the displays shift into performance mode, presenting lap times, G-forces, and power flow in real time. The hybrid graphic illuminates as the electric motors blend with the V8, proving that this is not merely a supercar. It is a fusion of mechanical force and modern engineering, a glimpse into the future of performance. As the car exits the corner, the driver floors the accelerator. The V8 screams, a high, ferocious note that rises far beyond typical engines. The electric motors add their silent fury. The speedometer climbs past 200, 250, 300 km/h. Wind tears across the exterior, pressure builds, the road narrows into a razor-thin ribbon. But the Temerario remains composed, confident, unstoppable. The world blurs into streaks of color as the car reaches its top speed, a staggering figure that few machines on Earth can match. For a moment, it feels as though the car has transcended the road entirely, existing in a realm where only momentum and precision matter. Eventually, the driver eases off. The roar fades into a deep mechanical purr. The hybrid system shifts to silent mode, allowing the car to glide forward with almost no sound. It feels surreal, a beast capable of thunder now moving like a whisper. The car slows to a stop at the edge of a cliff overlooking a vast valley. The sun rises fully, bathing the Temerario in a golden glow. Heat ripples from the rear, shimmering in the cool morning air. The driver steps out, looking back at the machine that feels more alive than ever. The Lamborghini Temerario stands still, yet its presence fills the landscape. It is power refined, aggression sculpted, ambition turned into motion. A creation born from obsession, engineered for those who seek the impossible and dare to push beyond it. It doesn't just move fast. It makes the world move around it.